So let's take a look. So I have a square root multiplied by a square root. So I can just say that is equal to, and put one big square root. Now if you look at this, you notice that I have two sets of brackets. I'm multiplying two sets of brackets. So I am going to use FOIL, right? So this number times this number, we can apply the same idea that I have square root of 21x squared multiplied by the square root of 21x squared. So if I it's like square root of 3 times square root of 3 is equal to 3. I'm going to get that thing inside the square root because the thing inside my square root is the same. So this would be 21x squared, right? So that would be 21x squared. And then look at this. I'm going to multiply this and this, and then I'm going to multiply this and this. So the middle term will basically cancel out, right? And okay, let me show you. So I would say this times this. So then I would have square root of 21x squared multiplied by the square root of 5x squared minus square root of 5x squared times the square root of 21x squared. These two terms are the same, so they would cancel out. And then lastly, I will multiply my outer terms. So then I will be multiplying 5x squared times square root of 5x squared. I get 5x squared. So that is 5x squared. Right. So now I can just say, what is 21 minus 5? 16. So it is 16x squared. And remember that I can say this is the square root of 16 multiplied by the square root of x squared. You can do that because you have square root. It's the same thing. You can put it together, and because you can put it together, you can break it apart. And I know that the square root of 16 is 4. Or you could have said square root of 16. You know that this can be written as 4 squared, which is, and you want to remove the square root, so that 4 2 over 2, which is 4. You could have also done that, which is what I'm going to use for this part here. So I know that x squared, I want to remove the square root, so I'm going to divide by 2, and I'm going to be left with x. So my answer is 4x